Welcome back to A2Z Vocabulary, where we learn 10 new words every day, one letter at a time. Today is day 10, and we are exploring words that start with the letter J. Stay with us till the end, learn all 10 words, and then attempt the quiz to test your knowledge. Our first word today is jabber. It can be used as both a verb and a noun. As a verb, it means to talk quickly and excitedly, often in a way that is hard to understand. As a noun, it refers to fast, excited, and often meaningless talk. Let's see it in sentences. The children were jabbering excitedly about their trip. Here, jabbering is used as a verb, meaning they were talking quickly and excitedly. He couldn't concentrate because of the jabber in the background. Here, jabber is used as a noun, meaning the noise of people talking rapidly without much meaning. Our second word today is jackass. It is a noun. A noun is a naming word for a person, place, thing, or animal. Jackass has two common meanings. It refers to a male donkey, and it is also used to describe a foolish or silly person. Let's see it in sentences. Stop acting like a jackass and listen carefully. This sentence is telling someone to stop behaving in a foolish, annoying, or silly way. A jackass brayed loudly in the field. This means a male donkey made a loud sound in the field. Our next word today is jackpot. It is a noun, which means it names a thing, event, or achievement. Jackpot means winning a large prize, often money, or achieving something very valuable or successful. Now, let's see it in sentences. She hit the jackpot at the casino last night. This means she won a very large amount of money from gambling. Getting this new job is a real jackpot for him. This means the new job is a big success or great opportunity for him, just like winning a valuable prize. Our next word today is jaded. It is an adjective, which means it describes someone who is tired, bored, or lacking enthusiasm, usually because they have had too much of something. Jaded means feeling worn out or uninterested because of overexposure or overwork. Now, let's see it in sentences. After years of traveling for work, he became jaded with the constant flights and hotel stays. This means he grew tired and uninterested in traveling because he experienced it too much over time. She felt jaded after attending so many parties in 1 month. This means she lost excitement for parties because she went to too many and got tired of them. Our next word today is jeopardize. It is a verb, which means it is an action word. Jeopardize means to put something in danger, risk, or at the chance of being harmed or lost. Now, let's see it in sentences. He didn't want to jeopardize his career by making a careless mistake. This means he didn't want to risk harming his career through a mistake. Poor health habits can jeopardize your future well-being. This means bad habits, like eating too much junk food or not exercising, can put your health in danger later in life. Our next word today is justification. It is a noun, which means it names a reason or explanation for something. Justification means giving a valid reason or excuse for an action, decision, or belief. Now, let's see it in sentences. There is no justification for lying to your friends. This means there is no good reason or acceptable excuse for lying to your friends. The teacher asked for a justification for his absence from school. This means the teacher wanted to know the reason why the student was not present in class. Our next word today is jubilant. It is an adjective, which means it describes a feeling or quality. Jubilant means feeling or showing great joy or happiness. Now, let's see it in sentences. The fans were jubilant after their team won the championship. This means the fans were extremely happy and celebrated their team's victory with joy. She felt jubilant when she heard the news of her promotion. This means she was filled with joy and happiness after learning she got promoted at work. Our next word today is joviality. It is a noun, which means it names a state or quality. Joviality means being cheerful, friendly, and full of good humor. Now, let's see it in sentences. The host's joviality made the party lively and fun. This means the host's cheerful and friendly nature brought happiness and energy to the party. His joviality always brightens up the office atmosphere. This means his cheerful and good-humored personality makes the workplace more positive and enjoyable. Our next word today is juxtapose. It is a verb, which means it is an action word. Juxtapose means to place two or more things, people, ideas, or situations side by side to compare or contrast them. Now, let's see it in sentences. The artist juxtaposed light and dark colors to create depth in the painting. This means the artist placed light and dark colors next to each other, so the differences stand out and the painting looks more interesting. The documentary juxtaposes the lives of the rich and the poor to highlight social inequality. This means the film shows the two different lifestyles side by side, so viewers can clearly see the differences between them. Our last word today is juggle. It is a verb, which means it is an action word. Juggle means to throw several objects into the air and catch them repeatedly, or to manage several tasks or responsibilities at the same time. Now, let's see it in sentences. He can juggle 3 balls at once. This means he can throw and catch 3 balls repeatedly without dropping them. She had to juggle work, school, and family responsibilities. This means she had to manage many tasks at the same time, balancing her job, studies, and family duties. That's all for today. You've learned 10 new words. Now it's quiz time. Drop your answers in the comments. Let's begin. Which sentence uses jabber correctly? A. The stream jabbered gently over the rocks. B. They jabbered excitedly while waiting in line. C. He jabbered the keys on the table. D. She jabbered the door closed. The correct answer is B. They jabbered excitedly while waiting in line. Which sentence uses Jeopardize correctly? A. Texting while driving can jeopardize your safety. B. She jeopardized the flowers into the vase. C. The dog jeopardized around the yard happily. D. He jeopardized a sandwich for lunch. The correct answer is A. Texting while driving can jeopardize your safety. Choose the correct meaning of jackass in this sentence. He made a jackass of himself by shouting during the ceremony. A. A wise person. B. A silly or foolish person. C. A brave leader. D. A kind helper. The correct answer is B. A silly or foolish person. Which sentence uses jaded correctly? A. She jaded her lunchbox in the fridge. B. After a long week of work, he felt jaded and needed rest. C. The clock jaded on the wall. D. They jaded the lights before leaving. The correct answer is B. After a long week of work, he felt jaded and needed rest. How would a jubilant crowd behave? A. Quietly reading books. B. Sleeping peacefully. C. Sitting still and looking bored. D. Cheering and celebrating loudly. The correct answer is D. Cheering and celebrating loudly. Great job today. You've just explored 10 new words, starting with the letter J. Remember, the best way to truly learn them is by using them in your daily conversations and writing a few sentences of your own. Join us tomorrow for day 11 as we dive into a brand new set of words. And keep building your vocabulary, one letter at a time.